Want to factory reset your iPhone 6? Whether you forgot the passcode, want to fix issues, or prepare it for resale, here are 5 easy ways to reset your iPhone 6. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset in Settings. If you still have access to your iPhone, go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content in Settings. Enter your passcode, Apple password, and confirm the reset, and your iPhone will restart like new. This is the easiest method. Method 2. Use iTunes or Finder. If your iPhone is locked or disabled, connect it to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Put the device into recovery mode, then click Restore iPhone. This will erase everything, including the passcode. Method 3. Reset via iCloud. If Find My iPhone is enabled, go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Select your iPhone 6 and choose Erase. Enter the required information. Your device will be reset remotely. Method 4. Use the Find My app. You can also use the Find My app on another Apple device. Tap Devices, select your iPhone 6, tap Erase, enter the required information and confirm the reset. Method 5. Use MagFone iPhone Unlocker. If you forgot the passcode or can't access your iPhone, you can use MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Just connect your device, choose Unlock iOS screen, click Start, and get your iPhone into recovery mode. Then download a firmware package. Click Unlock to factory reset the iPhone. It's quick, simple, and beginner-friendly.